Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. It's so fresh. Today I talk about ENERMAX LIQMAXFLO and LIQMAXFLO SR ARGB AIO coolers with VRM fan and action pump tech. So friend, ENERMAX launches its first AIO CPU cooler with the VRM fan and the LIQMAXFLO series featuring ENERMAX latest dual-chamber Xtreme pump and latest Silent fan, delivering exceptional improvements in cooling performance with maximum quietness. And friend, the series also relies on ENERMAX latest Silent Flow PWM fan, which offers exceptionally quiet operation with maximum noise at 23.46 dBA thanks to the improved fan blade and crafted angle, and the inclusion of a 60 VRM fan within the water block further extend its cooling capacity, enhancing air circulation within the system and efficiently reducing the temperature of CPU VRMs and surrounding components on the motherboard. And in addition, the pump cover is changeable with a magnetic connection, so the orientation of the logo can be changed at 90 degrees, and different options for pump cover will also be available soon for easier customization. And friend, the coolers are equipped with the ENERMAX Dual-Chamber Xtreme pump, and series provides a remarkable 8 degrees Celsius reduction in the thermal output under a 250 watt load compared to the previous generation, and this impressive performance is attributed to ENERMAX patented Shunt-Channel design and enlarged coolant inlet and optimized flow design, resulting in a 30% increase in overall pump pressure and a 20% boost in coolant flow rate. So if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.